everybody, I'm Alexie and I will be doing your animal origami today. You will need a piece of A4 paper, some colouring pens if you fancy, a ruler, doesn't matter how big, a pencil and a pair of safe scissors. Only use these if you are allowed to. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to fold your paper in half lengthways. Make sure the corners are all even. Okay. And hopefully you've all made a paper aeroplane before. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold these corners inwards to make a triangle on the top. Make sure it's even. And now we're going to fold this triangle down so that it makes a straight line on the bottom, or you can fold the rest of the paper upwards. It's totally up to you. So you should have made a square. A little bit of an envelope there, look. Okay, so 1 centimetre in from the fold, you want to draw a line, and this is going to be about 2 inches down. So, about there. Draw a centimetre like so. So 2 inches down from this line that is at the bottom of your triangle. Okay, then you want to draw your wings, so you're going to do a triangle down. So you want to do a line down and then a line slightly more obtuse, so slightly more outwards than the one you've just drawn. Okay, so you've got a little bit of a right angle going on there. And then you want to join that, the end of that line up with the corner of your triangle. Like so. Okay, you want to then cut it out safely, and only if you're allowed to. If not, get a parent or guardian to help you. And you want to keep the excess paper as well, because that will help you later on. Okay. Okay, once you've folded that down, turn it over and fold this bottom bit up. So you should have a little piece of paper that looks a little bit like a bow. Okay. Turn it so that you can see the joining in the middle. And fold it in half. Okay. Now what you want to do is where you can see this bend, you want to bend your wings down on both sides to create like a little bird or a bow. Okay, so keep that to one side. Next you want to take this piece of paper. Take this piece of paper, and with your ruler again, I want you to draw a triangle down the bend. So this bit's the bend, and I want you to draw a triangle down there. Doesn't matter how big, just make sure that this point is really pointy and you have got this bend going on there. Next, take your scissors and gently and carefully cut down that line. Again, make sure you are allowed to use scissors, and if not, make sure your parent or guardian can help you. Okay. Put that away now. And you don't need this piece of paper, so put it in your recycling or put it in the bin. Take this triangle, open it up, and make sure that you are happy. What you want to do now is you want to fold down the sides to make sure your triangle looks like that. So your lines should be straight still there, and do the same here. Make sure you've got a nice point at the top. My fingers aren't as nimble as yours might be, so I don't have a nice point, but just try and do the best you can. Okay, so it should just look like a little arrow there. Open it up a little bit more. And what you want to do, this bit's a little bit tricky, so you might need someone to help you, but if you can see there should be 2 layers. You want to slot this into those 2 layers like that. And make sure all the bends are in line. Make sure it's nicely slotted in like that. Bend it if you need to. And there you have it. If you want to put some sellotape on it, you can. And there you have it. An eagle.